Preserving the evidence. I'm Christopher Pratt, a personal injury trial lawyer from Anderson, South Carolina. The most important thing you can do if you're injured by another's wrongdoing is preserve the evidence. Let's take a car wreck, for example. If you're injured by a car who was being driven by a distracted driver, one of the first things you need to do is attempt to preserve their cell phone. What do I mean by this? Well, their cell phone has information on it that can be vital to your case. In the past, we have subpoenaed cell phone records from the phone companies, but simply put, that evidence is not nearly as good as the evidence that is contained within the actual phone itself. If you find yourself in a serious accident, you should speak to the investigating law enforcement officer and ask them to preserve the phone if at all possible. Furthermore, this is all the more reason why as soon as it is possible, you need to contact a qualified personal injury trial lawyer, because we can take steps, if notified soon enough after the wreck, to have the phone preserved so that we can have an expert extract the data off of it and hopefully present admissible, cogent evidence that proves your claim. Furthermore, it's so important that you document your injuries after an incident, whether it be a work injury, a car wreck, or any other kind of premises liability case. For example, if you are injured, you need to immediately photograph the area of injury. You need to keep records of every doctor you spoke to. You need to immediately look around and see if you or family members can identify potential witnesses. Too often we have legitimate cases that are not actionable, or we can't go forward on them because the evidence at the beginning of the case was not properly documented by the clients, and by the time we get the case, it's simply too late. So, preserving the evidence is a key factor in personal injury claims, and if you find yourself injured by the wrongdoing of another, please remember, get that phone, take that picture, and document your case so that you can get what's fair, reasonable, and just. If you have any questions on this, or you find yourself in a situation where you are having to preserve evidence, give us a call at 864-226-7222, or you can reach out to us on the web at www.tandplegal.com.